Hello students, this is Sushil Misra and today we are continuing our chapter first, and today I have taken the next topic and the question is what, so that root 2 is irrational. So students, जब कभी भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है कि प्रूव दैट और सो दैट रूट 2 और रूट 3 रूट 5 रूट 7 इज़ इरेशनल नंबर, जब कभी भी हमें किसी भी नंबर को इरेशनल नंबर प्रूफ करना है, जैसे जब कभी भी फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आपके कभी भी प्रूफ करने वाला क्वेश्चन आएगा तो हम उसका अपोजिट लेकर चलेंगे। सपोज हमें प्रूफ करना है कि ये एक रेशनल नंबर है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इसको एज्यूम करेंगे कि ये क्या है, एक रेशनल नंबर है, और फिर आगे हम सॉल्व करके ये प्रूफ कर देंगे कि जो हमने एजम्पशन किया है कि ये एक रेशनल नंबर है, वो हमारा एजम्पशन क्या है, गलत है, और ये क्या हो जाएगा, एक इरेशनल नंबर। सो बट देयर इज सम स्टेप हाउ टू सॉल्व, सो लेट अस सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन। सो solution, let root 2 is rational number. Okay, root 2 is what, rational number. हमने क्या कर लिया कि रूट 2 को क्या मान लिया है कि रेशनल नंबर है, एंड और लेट इट गो. So if root 2 is rational number, then root 2 must be equal to p by q or a by b, whatever you want to assume. So if root 2 is rational number, then it must be equal to p by q, where q must not be equal to 0, where q must not be equal to 0. So on cross multiplying, therefore p equal to root 2 q, p equal to root 2 q, and p square is equal to 2q square, here squaring both side. Squaring both sides. So p square is equal to 2q square. It means p square is divisible by 2. This 2 will come downside, and it means p square is divisible by 2. It means 2 will divide p also. Means what? If any number, suppose a square is divisible by any number, suppose m, then this m will divide a also. Okay, like this 25, or you can say 5 square is divisible by 5, it means 5 is also divisible by 5. So similarly, if p square is divisible by 2, it means p is also divisible by 2. So this will be your first equation. Now let p equal to 2r. Whatever number is given, you have to keep the same number and one more alphabet or any more integer or letter you can take. So p equal to 2r. Again squaring both sides. So p square is equal to 4r square, and value of p square is what, 2q square is equal to 4r square. So 2 2s are, it means q square is equal to 2r square. Okay, means, and here I missed one line. Since p square is divisible by 2, therefore p is also divisible by 2. Similarly, since q square is divisible by 2, therefore q is also divisible by 2. So here you can see, this was the example, let it go. Okay, so here you can see p is also divisible by 2 and q is also divisible by 2. It means 2 is a common factor for both p and q, which contradicts our assumption, because as you know, any rational number, suppose p by q, from beginning only we are studying that what is rational number, any number which can be represented by p by q where q should not be equal to 0, that is rational number. Okay, that is very correct. But why p upon q? We can write na p upon p also, q upon q also, but why we are writing p upon q? It means the number which is having divisor डिफरेंट देन ईच अदर. इट मीन्स दोनों का डिवाइजर जो होना चाहिए वो डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, दोनों का फैक्टर डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. बट हियर इन केस ऑफ p एंड q वी आर हैविंग कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1, वी आर हैविंग 2 एज अ कॉमन फैक्टर अदर देन 1. इट मीन्स वट एवर वी हैड टेकन दैट इज wrong. It means directly we'll write here, I am writing since or assumption or since, firstly since 2 is common factor for both p and q, therefore our assumption was wrong, therefore root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. It means you can solve for root 3 also. If root 3 wherever I have written 2, you have to write 3. If root 5 wherever I have written 2, you have to write 5 only. So all the questions are same, only way of writing you need to take care and you need to write properly. And some next questions, some other questions in the next video I am going to solve. So thank you.